Okay, so here's the inside of the clutch basket on the 07R1 slipper clutch. These springs that are basically built into there, 5 out of 6 of them are loose. If you look right here, that's the tight one. See that spring inside there? It doesn't move. Look at this one. See that? There's like a gap in there. The springs won't expand all the way. I think it was a heat problem. See that one? Loose. That one too. They're not broken, but they make a bad rattling noise. But I only really hear it when it's in neutral and I pull in the clutch. That's when they start rattling. So pretty sure I'm gonna have to replace that part. OEM cheapest I can find is about $263.